So, hello students. I hope you watched my previous factorization videos. And till the last video, what we had finished, I'll just give the 2 minutes intro and then we'll quickly move to this topic. So what we've done, we've learned by now types of factorization. We've learned how to take out common factors. We've learned how to do that grouping. And now it's today's time. We're going to learn how to do factorizations of trinomials by splitting the middle terms. Okay, I'll just show you how to do that with few examples. Let's come back on this slide. Say suppose this is the sum x square plus 5x plus 6. So x square plus 5x plus 6, how it can be done? Look at this. Over here, this is considered as 6 into 1. Coefficient of x square is 1 and constant is 6. So 1 into 6, it's considered as product as 6. And the coefficient of x is considered as sum. So we want the product as positive 6. We want the product as positive 6 and we want the sum as this positive 5. So what are the factors of 6? Like 1 into 6 or 2 into 3. Now, if we'll take the example of like 1 into 6, in that case, if we'll take both are positive, then our sum doesn't come to 5. It becomes 7, isn't it? So we're going to take the example like positive 2 and positive 3. So like positive 2 into positive 3 will get multiplication or the product as 6 and the sum positive 3 plus positive 2 is as 5. So how to split this x square plus 5x plus 6 as like x square as it is. Instead of writing plus 5x, what we're going to write down? Plus 3x plus 2x. Look at this, plus 3x plus 2x and plus 6 as it is. And now student, it's time to do that normal grouping. So you can take this first two term as like the first and last two term as the second term. So out of these two, what can be taken out common? X. So x plus 3, isn't it? From 2x plus 6, what can be taken out common? 2 can be taken out common. So if we take out 2 common, what will be left over? X from here and 3 from here, because 2 words are 6, 3s are. And now you can take it out x plus 3 common outside and x plus 2 in the second bracket. Isn't it simple? Yes, you can show me a thumbs up if you have understood. That's wonderful. Keep writing, guys. Keep writing. Pause the video over here and copy paste this sum quickly in your book. Hurry up. I hope you have copy pasted this sum in your book. Let's move to the next sum. Now, if you'll notice very carefully, I have not changed the sum. I have just changed one sign. This was positive 5x and now this is x square, negative 5x plus 6. So student, understand, with one example, I want to teach this entire topic. So x square minus 5x plus 6. So again, the product would be positive 6 and the sum should be negative 5. Now what exactly sum I am talking, guys? Sum is coefficient of x. Fit it in your brain. Sum is coefficient of x. Sum is coefficient of x. And other two terms, numerical coefficient would be the product, isn't it? Now what would be this negative 5, the sum? How that negative 5 will come as a sum? Simple. We just change this 6 as two factors, minus 2 and minus 3. If we do minus 2 into minus 3, you'll get this product as positive 6. Simple. And negative 3 plus negative 2 will become negative 5, isn't it? So we got x square. Instead of writing minus 5x, we're writing minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 as it is. I hope you're understanding this step. And now again, same procedure grouping. First two term as a first group and third and fourth term would be the second group. And now from here, x can be taken out common. So x minus 3 and minus 2 can be taken out common and again x minus 3. Now some people will wonder, so how come this turned to negative? Simple. Positive 6 getting divided by negative 2 will turn out to minus 3 as quotient, isn't it? Now understand student, this bracket and this bracket has to be identical bracket. So x minus 3 has been taken out common. So what is left over? X minus 2. Isn't it very simple sum? Isn't it very, very simple sum? Yes, if you have understood, show big thumbs up. Pause the video, copy paste this quickly in your book, guys. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Copy paste it quickly. Hurry up. I hope you have finished these first two sums. And now look at this. X square minus 5x minus 6. I have just changed that positive 6 to negative 6. Did you observe? And now student, if you observe over here, the product would be negative 6 and the sum is negative 5 because that's the coefficient of x. I hope you are by now understanding. Hold on guys, hold on. You will understand this topic very well. My entire work would be, revolving around one principle. We make learning easy. I have to make the learning easy. So after getting this negative 5 as a sum and negative 6 as a product, how are we going to get? What are the two factors? I don't think so. Now this 2 and 3 will work as a factor, guys. So we'll have to change the factors. Now 1 into minus 6 will come as a product negative 6. And 1 plus negative 6 will going to come as some negative 5, isn't it? So we'll have to change that the middle two terms. Why this is called as splitting the middle term? I hope by now you have understood, student. So it is x square. Instead of writing minus 5x, what will write now? Minus 6x plus 1x. That's how we split the middle term. Minus 6. I hope you understood. We copy pasted is minus 6 as it is. Again, that grouping will going to come into the picture. So what can be taken out common from this first two term? X minus 6. Obviously, there is nothing common out of these two terms. So what we've done, we've taken plus 1 common. So plus x minus 6. I hope you understood, guys, this. Still here, everything was simple. Now, these two brackets are identical. So I've taken x minus 6 outside and x plus 1 inside the bracket. Isn't it? That's it. Guys, look at this. The sums are so alike, except the signs are different, but the factors are different. Did you notice the factors were earlier x plus 3, x plus 2 for this first one, x minus 3, x minus 2 for the second one. Did you notice the sign? One sign change and the factors have changed. See that minute this topic is. One small sign you change while copy pasting the sum from the question paper to the answer paper, your entire answer changes, isn't it? So be aware student, what you're copy pasting while you're copying your homework sums or copying your question marks in questions in your examination, something like that. Okay, look at this. Let's move to the next question. X square plus 5x minus 6. I hope you have finished writing this all the three sums. If not, please pause the video here and finish this quickly, immediately. Hurry up. I hope you have finished this first three sums. Let's move to the next question. Now, I have made this sum as positive, but the product as negative. So the product will become negative 6. The product has to be negative 6, and the sum has to be positive 5. Isn't it? Now, how to do this? So 6 into minus 1, if you'll do, you're going to get the sum as negative 6. 6 into minus 1 would be the two factors. Don't worry, student, we'll do after this one specific question with other example. There I'll teach you how to take this product and sum. At the moment, just focus on how the sign plays very important role. Okay, 6 into minus 1 gives that negative 6, and 6 minus 1 will become positive 5. Isn't it? Positive 5 as the sum and negative 6 as a product. We got the negative 6 as a product. Now we're going to take this 6x over here and minus 1x over here instead of plus 5x. Okay, so x square plus 6x minus 6. Now from these two terms you can take another x common, so x plus 6. From here negative 1 common, so x plus 6 in another bracket. I hope you are understanding. And now x plus 6 taken out common and x minus 1 in the bracket. I hope you understood till here. So stay tuned. We will go to do shortly a new fresh sum. I hope you finished till here all the four sums. Otherwise, pause it over here. Okay. Okay, guys. So we are doing sum number 5, 9x square plus 24x plus 16. So over here, we're going to write it down something as product and something as sum. So what exactly is the product? So coefficient of x square and a constant together, if we'll multiply 16 nines are, so 16 into 9 is considered as product. And what is sum? Sum is positive 24. Okay, now what are the two factors? Like 16 nines are 144. What are the two factors of 16 and 9 which will going to give the product as 24? So look at this. 16 nines hota hai 144. So what are the two factors of 144? It could be 1 and 144, but then I don't think so. That will sum up to 24, isn't it? So 2 into 72, even that I don't think so will turn out sum as 24. I guess 3 into say 16 threes are 48, isn't it? 48 threes are 144. Even that cannot give the sum as 24. So 4 into what will come? 4 into 36, even that cannot give the sum as 24. So we'll have to keep getting the factors like this way. Now some people will be like little eager, sir, how many factors will I have to do? Guys, don't worry, the more practice you'll do, the fastest, the quickest factors you're going to get it. I guess look at this. If I'll do directly 12 into 12, 12 12s are 144, and plus 12 will add up to 24. Isn't it simple? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write it on this 9x square as it is, and now this plus 24x can be splitted as plus 12 plus 12x, isn't it? Plus 12x plus 12x, because that 12 and 12 gives that positive 144, and plus 12 will give the sum as plus 24. That way, are you getting it? Oh, sorry, I missed that. X plus 16. And now student, what I'm going to do from here, I'm going to make a pair, like this is one group, this is another group. Now from this, what you can do, 3x can be taken out common, so 3 3s are and x xr. So that is 3x into 3x, it will turn out 9x square. Now 12x, if we'll divide by 3x, what will happen? 3 4s are 12. That's it, isn't it? Now from this, what can be taken out common, student? Simple. Like look at this, 12 and 16 has one thing common, that is 4, isn't it? 4 3xr, it will become 12x, and 4 4s are is 16, isn't it? And now student, if you'll notice over here, these two terms are same. So I'll just take it out, 3x plus 4 common outside. That would be considered as one of the factor. And the second factor would be as it is, 3x plus 4. Isn't it so simple? 3x plus 4. It's that easy, guys. It's that easy. I hope you understood till here. Just pause the video and copy paste this some quickly in your book. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up. Okay guys, so let's move little more ahead and we'll do little more sums based on the same topic. Let's say, see now what I am choosing the sums as, like, 6 plus 11x plus 3x square. Look at this. Here the order is little different. Did you notice? 6 plus 11x plus 3x square. So x square generally kabhi like first place, like it generally comes like this as a first place and this as a second place and this as a third place, but now the order has changed, isn't it? So people generally get confused. So what exactly is the product? So the product is always, remember that guys, product is always the x square coefficient into the constant, that 6 3s are 18. So the product is, in this case, is 18, and the sum is coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is 11, so the sum is 11. Now we have to figure it out, what are the two factors of 18 whose sum will going to be 11. Like 18 can be written as 1 into 18, that cannot be the sum as 11. So the second factor would be 2 into 9. Yep, 2 into 9 gives a positive 18, and 2 plus 9 gives the sum as 11. So how to split the middle term? Simple. 6 plus 9x plus 2x plus 3x square. I hope you understood how this step has occurred. 6 plus 9x plus 2x plus 3x square. I hope you understood that. Isn't it simple? Now, out of this, what can be taken out common? 3. 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So 3 outside the bracket, 3 2s are inside the bracket 2, and 3x times are 9x, isn't it? Now 2x and 3x square, what can be taken out common? Of course, only positive x. So plus 2 over here, and from 3x square, if we'll take it out, positive x common outside, would be left with only with positive 3x. Now 2 plus 3x and 2 plus 3x can be taken out common. So what is left over? 3 plus x. Isn't it a very, very simple sum? Guys, you can pause the video over here and copy paste the sum number 3 quickly. Hurry up. And I would like to give you all the sum number 4 as a quick trial for you all. 7 minus 12x minus 4x squared. You can pause the video and solve this sum quickly by your own. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up. I hope you finished solving this. In case not, please pay attention. Look at this. 7 minus 12x minus 4x squared. So the product in this case would be minus 28. Why product would be minus 28? Because 7 into minus 4 will give the product as minus 28. And the sum will going to be minus 12 in this case, isn't it? So what are the two factors of minus 28, guys? Of course, 14 twos are. Now minus 14 and positive 2 will give the sum as minus 12. I hope by now everyone knows how to find out the product and sum, isn't it? And now how to split this middle minus 12x term? Obviously minus 14x plus 2x, isn't it? So 7 minus 14x plus 2x minus 4x square. Now some people think, sir, what if I'll do 2x over here and 14x over here? No problem, guys. So no problem. Doesn't make any difference. You can write in any sequence. The answer will remain the same. Remember that the answer will remain the same. So 7, if we'll take it out common, what will happen? 7 ones are and minus 2x are, isn't it? 7 minus 2x are minus 14x. Okay, now from 2x and minus 4x square, what can be taken out common? Obviously plus 2x. So plus 2x, if we'll take it out, 1 would be left over here. And from minus 4x square, or that plus 2x, if we'll take it out common, what will be left over? Minus 2x. Now you can cross verify like this way also. 2x into 1 will be 2x, and 2x into minus 2x, minus 4x square. Isn't it simple? Now if you'll observe very carefully, once again 1 plus 2x can be taken out common. So in second bracket, 7 from here and plus 2x from this second bracket. I hope you understood this very well. Isn't it simple topic? Show big thumbs up if you have understood. So in my next video, I'm going to discuss about the split, like, how to do that difference between the two squares. And if you have liked this, show big thumbs up. And yes, of course, there are a few sums, like, application sums based on these. I hopefully in my next video, I'm going to cover that, and I'll keep going ahead with the different types of factorization. So application sums, please watch it immediately after this, so that, this topic will get covered perfectly. Till then, bye-bye.